Alrighty, we've had our first snow. It's February like 11th or 12th or something like that. We only got maybe 3-4 inches, and I was just going to give you a little update on the EG4 solar panel mount before I take the snow off real quick. There you go. So it's probably, I don't know, 4 inches or so. And just with the 4 inches, there's not really any flex. You know, I was worried about the flex before. It doesn't really look like there's any quite yet, okay? That was just the update for that. And then I guess the next update would be, since these are the Sirius 415 watt panels, we have some snow on the ground. Maybe we can get some production from the bottom side. All right, so time now is 3:44 p.m. It's 11 degrees out, if that matters. So battery's at 76%. We're only doing 190 watts of solar right now, which isn't much. 106 on the roof, and then 80 watts over here total between the two ground mounts. All right, so let me press pause again. Let me wipe off the panels and we'll take another look.
Moments.
All right, so we're looking at solar inverter 2. We'll come down here. We're doing a total of 647 on 2, but we're doing 514 with the Sirius panels. I guess not too bad for almost 4 o'clock. And the sun is just about to go down, and it's not even like full sun or anything like that. So 500 watts. All right, so now we're just getting basically 500 watts. And we do have just a little bit of snow flurrying around, so these aren't perfectly clean. And again, the sun is way over there, about to go behind the hill over there. So not too bad, I guess, for almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon. All right, just wiped off that one real quick. Again, it's partially shaded just from these trees right out here. Sun's about to go down. And this one right here, let me swap over and we'll check that one. All right, looks like we're doing a little over 1,000 watts of solar. We'll check on that. All right, so that little rack over there is doing 424, and the Sirius panels are doing 522 watts, total of 946. Nice.
The next day.
It is a balmy 13 degrees. I woke up and it was -8 degrees. Time now is 12:51. We're just gonna run over here to the Sirius solar panels real quick, and well, we can show you what we got. This will be like another little update for the very next day. Boom, there we go. There's the 5 panels that I have installed very sketchily on the EG4 rack that's only designed for 4 panels. Anyway, we got some snow on the ground. There is some snow behind it, but I don't have a lot of snow like underneath. All right, we'll go with that. Alrighty, time now is 12:52. All right, we're making 2,504 watts of solar total. That's with all 5 arrays, okay? I have not gone on the roof yet to clear those off. I'm gonna do that right after this little thing. So, okay, we're gonna go over to inverter, and we're looking at, on the right-hand side, inverter 2. All right, we're gonna scroll down, and inverter 2 is making 2,349 watts total, and the Sirius solar panels are MPPT 2, so we're making 2,021 watts. So I would say that's pretty damn good with just the 5 panels. So with 5 panels, if we got, you know, the 415 watts out of each one, that would be 2,075. So we're really only like 70 watts off right now. And again, today's date is February 13th, and yeah, these obviously are not at the correct angle for the season. These are, I think the stock is at 30 degrees, okay? So that's what we're getting out of all 5 panels right here. And then of course the other one that's sitting right over here, this one is not in the sun yet, of course. There's the sun right there, and it does have some shading on it from that tree right over there. And we're only getting, where is it? We're only getting like 320 watts out of that. So for just 5 panels, you know, not aimed perfectly at the sun or anything like that, I would say we're doing fan-freaking-tastic. Alrighty, so there you go. There is a quick little update for the Sirius 415 watt bifacial solar panels with snow on the ground. Okay, there's nothing else really back there. There is a little bit of snow, but that's basically it. Alrighty, next thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna go up on the roof, and I need to clear those panels off because I need some more charging power. But if you want to know how much we're getting off the roof solar panels, a total of 177 watts, and those probably each have maybe 3 to 4 inches of snow on them. All right, so 28 watts, 129 watts, and 22 watts. We're going to run up there real quick, and I'm going to probably put it on a time lapse and clear off those panels. Hopefully I can do it pretty quick, and then we will see where we're at after that. And there is one other thing. I did buy a roof rake or whatever they're called last year, and last year I broke the pole that it came with. It was just garbage. And today I went to Lowe's to grab some shims, and I got a new pole. I think it's for painting, actually. This pole right here. I'm pretty sure it's for painting, but it is telescopic, and it goes out to, let's see, it goes from 6 foot to 12 feet. Now they did have one that was really, really long, but that one was way too long. It'd be way too much stuff to deal with. And then the roof rake thingy is this thing right here. It's like a neoprene scraper thingy. It's called a Eversprout Snowbuster. So it's got that shape on it. All right, so you can pull, or if you flip it over, you can push. That's basically what this is. And if I can, I'm going to use the leaf blower, but I just don't see that working right now. So we'll probably have to use this. So give me just a second, and we'll go up there. And these, of course, just like all the other things, they just screw right on here. And this one is the telescoping. So there we go. Let's do it. I don't like doing this in the winter time with the ladder, but that's what we got. Alrighty, well, it looks like we have a couple of panels partially removed of snow over here and over here. All right, so these are the 370 watt Sun Gold power panels. These are 270 watt Jinko panels. And then underneath that pile of snow over there that you can't see, oh, there's one over there. Those are the Santan solar panels that are 240 watts. All right, let's clear them off. All right, so Sun Gold power panels are practically clear. I'll let the sun, heat up the panels and get the rest of that. But we have jumped up from the 2,000 or whatever it was before, all the way up to 4,364 watts. And if we scroll down here to the actual inverters, you can see the Sun Gold power panels are doing 1,968. And then the 5 Sirius panels are actually doing more than this array right here. Now granted, this is facing east over here, and the other panels are facing south. So not the direct, sunlight or anything like that, but it is an improvement than what I had just a couple minutes ago. All right, next we're gonna do those 2 arrays over there. I don't know if I'll stop in between each one to take a look. I'll probably just get it done and then we'll take a look. Alrighty, time now is 1:35 p.m. and we're making 7,710 watts with all 5 arrays somewhat cleared. All right, so how this is listed up is the Santan is array 1, Sun Gold is array 2, and then Jinko is array 3. Array 1, Santan is 1,171, Sun Gold is 2,100, and then the Jinkos are 2,068. If you want to look over to the right there, the Sirius panels are doing 1,953, and then that other little tiny array is only doing 417 watts. All right, so overall, I would say it's not too bad for February 13th. Sorry about that dog barking, but there's nothing I can do about that. I would say that's not too bad for February 13th at 1:30 in the afternoon. These arrays obviously are not pointed at the sun at all very well. It's mainly for summertime use. And then the arrays over there, one is facing south, so that's kind of all season. And then that little tiny array is going to be going away here soon anyway, so it doesn't really matter for that one. I'm going to be setting up the other Sirius solar panels up there really as soon as I can. So if we walk over here real quick, I actually augured the holes in the ground, which you can't really see it right now. I've got 4 holes that I augured out. I bought the posts and everything for it, so basically I can mimic this array right here. And then everything started freezing, and then that's where I was at right there. I was trying to get it done before the first freeze, but I couldn't. That's just what happens sometimes. I wish I could have gotten it done sooner, but I didn't. So anyway, there you go. There is my solar panel update, mainly for the Sirius solar panels. I just wanted to see what they would do, you know, in the wintertime with snow around. And it looks like we're getting, oh, what was it? Just under the 415 watts per panel. I would say that's not too bad. Again, they're at a 30-degree angle. They're not angled the best, and yeah, that's what we got. All right, so if this video is helpful in any way possible, make sure you like that smash button on your way out, and I will see you on the next one. Now I gotta get down.